Are you ready to capture jaw-dropping photos in 2025? Stick around, because I'm revealing the best cameras for photography that'll take your shots to the next level, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to the best cameras for photography in 2025. From mirrorless marvels to budget-friendly DSLRs, I've tested these cameras to help you find the perfect one. Let's get started. First up, the Sony ZV-1 II, a compact powerhouse for creators who love portability. This camera rocks a 1-inch sensor and an 18 to 50mm zoom lens, perfect for street photography or vlogging. Its autofocus is lightning fast, with IAF to keep faces sharp. I took it out for a city shoot, and the colors? Absolutely vibrant. The flip-out screen makes framing selfies a breeze, but it lacks in-body stabilization, so you might want a tripod for shaky hands. Priced around $999, it's a great entry-level option for stunning photos on the go. Next, the Panasonic Lumix GH7, a favorite among YouTubers and photographers alike. With a 25MP micro Four Thirds sensor and phase detect autofocus, this mirrorless camera delivers crisp, professional-grade images. I tested it for landscape photography, and the 4K video mode doubles as a high-res stills option. The in-body stabilization is a game-changer for handheld shots, no gimbal needed. At around $2,200, it's an investment, but it's worth every penny for serious creators. For beginners on a budget, the Canon EOS R50 is a steal at under $729. This mirrorless camera has a 24.2MP APS-C sensor and shoots 4K video, making it versatile for photo and video. Its autofocus is reliable, and the fully articulated screen is great for creative angles. I used it for portrait photography, and the skin tones were spot on. The downside? Battery life isn't the best, so grab a spare if you're shooting all day. Last but not least, the Fujifilm XS20. This compact mirrorless camera boasts a 26.1MP APS-C sensor and in-body stabilization, making it ideal for travel photography. Its dedicated vlog mode optimizes settings for quick shots, and the film simulation modes, like Velvet, give your photos a unique, retro vibe. I shot a sunset with it, and the dynamic range was incredible. Priced at about $1,300, it's perfect for photographers who want style and performance. So, there you have it, the best cameras for photography in 2025. Whether you're grabbing the budget-friendly Canon EOS R50 or splurging on the Panasonic Lumix GH7, there's something for everyone. Which camera are you eyeing? Drop it in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more photography gear reviews.